everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So I have this canvas today, which is a 9-inch by 12-inch gallery wrap canvas, and I'm going to do some color experiments because I intend to do a bigger one on the same color combinations. So let's see. And also one more thing I'm going to try today for the first time. I am going to try to do transfer swipe. I have never done that before, so I said my biggest inspiration in YouTube channels is none other than Miss Cindy Vanderveen. If you are not familiar with her, go to her channel. I will link her channel in my description sections, and you will see what I'm talking about. She's so talented. I love her work. So this piece is inspired by her. So first I pour some base coat on my tile. This is a sticky tile, and the problem with this is it's kind of bent, so I'm trying to make sure that it stays straight. Now let's layer some colors.
Oh boy, it's dripping here. Stop helping me.
As I am editing this, I realized that I should have put the tile where I made the two blooms somewhere under the focus of the camera, so you could have seen where I am collecting the paint from and how I am collecting them. So if I do something like this next time, I would remember that.
So it doesn't make much sense to me because I don't like the composition. It's not put together. There are some nice elements here, but there are also some awful elements here. Oh, no, I should not say that. There are some nice elements here, but here it's not well put together. I would love that it would be gone. That part would be gone and everything would be together. So take home. Next time, don't use too much pillow paint on the surface canvas because you have to spread it out, and it made my swipes spread more, and therefore my pigments were more spread out and not very colorful. So next time I would not do that.
Also,
So today is the beginning of my swipe transfer journey, and we'll do more. Let me know what you think. I am not very proud of it, just letting you know, but next time hopefully it'll be better. Let me bring you down close.
So this is another video, part of my experiments. When I try a new technique, I would like to see where I started, and eventually I keep on practicing and I get better at this. So I guess for this particular swipe transfer technique, this is my beginning, and we will see where do we end up at the end. So I hope this video will encourage some of you to keep on trying to practice, because often we get frustrated with the results that we get. So as you can see, I'm not very proud of this one, but I'm sure I will get better at this because I have learned a lot from today's practice. So until next time, bye.